Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new opportunity from Wipro company. So the freshers and experienced, those who are interested into machine learning, data science related jobs, they can apply for this opportunity. The job role is junior data science, or you can say junior data scientist. The city is mentioned as Bangalore. It's a hybrid job, so you need to visit Bangalore if you are able to clear the interview. For interview purpose, no need to visit Bangalore because the interview will be happen in online mode. Once you have cleared the job, you need to relocate to Bangalore location. So if you have completed your engineering, MCA, MSc on data science, data engineering or data analytics domain, you can apply for this opportunity. This is a great opportunity. And if you want to switch for another domain, like if you are working in development or any other IT domains, you want to switch your career, you can also apply for this opportunity, but make sure that you should have a strong certification and projects on data science and machine learning so that you can apply for this role and your profile got shortlisted. So here they have provided all the details and description, so you can gather all the information from here and accordingly you can design your resume. Here they have mentioned what actually you need to deliver, what are the performance parameter and what will be your measure. So you need to design and develop solution, you need to work on quality and CSAT, and you need to work on MIS and reporting. Mandatory skills: Power BI, data science. So you should know how to visualize data and you should know about the logic behind data. So these are very important. You can mention these skills in your resume to get shortlisted. Below you can get the apply now button, and as you can see, it's an official career portal from Wipro. You will get the direct referral from this channel. So I'll provide you this link in the video description so that you can also apply for this role. If you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you want to get regular job updates like this one, you can subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.